1 cup of walnuts. You need 1 cup of flour. And you're gonna kind of mix those together. This is gonna be our base. I'm gonna add in a stick of butter, melted.
Oh yeah, you melted that good.
Okay. And this will be your base. Yep. Okay, now you're gonna take it and put it in your 9 by 13. And just press it down. Okay, yeah, just take, I finally just decided to use my hand. We're just gonna take it.
You just gotta flatten that.
Yeah, you gotta flatten it down where to make into your 9 by 13. Okay, now that's all you need. You're gonna take this and put it in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
At 350.
Okay, our crust is browned up. We're gonna get it out of the oven. We're gonna set it over here and let it cool. And while it's cooling, we're gonna make the next 2 layers.
Sounds good. All righty.
Okay, we got 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. This is gonna be for our second layer. 1 cup of powdered sugar. And 8 ounces of Cool Whip, which is a small one.
So that whole thing, okay.
Whole thing. Okay, you're gonna take your mixer and blend all this together. Okay, got that good and blended. You're gonna set that aside and we're gonna make the 3rd layer.
Alrighty.
Now we've got some Jell-O cheesecake pudding mix. It's the instant. You're gonna take 2 boxes of it with 3 cups of cold whole milk. We're gonna make our pudding, which will be your 3rd layer. And we're gonna take our mixer, get it mixed up. Okay, we got our pudding mixed up. We're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for a couple minutes while we're putting our 2nd layer on.
Got it.
Just let it chill for a few. We're going to take our mixture and put it on our cooled crust.
This is our 2nd layer.
Yes. Okay, let's even that all out.
Nice and creamy.
Spoon. Okay, now we'll get our pudding. Let's see how it has thickened up.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice and thick now. Oh, my wife would love this. She loves cheesecake.
Well, the pudding, it smells just like a cheesecake taste.
Almost looks like a banana pudding right now.
Mm-hmm. All right, so now we're gonna put Cool Whip on the top.
Ooh.
Now you got cheesecake.
Oh
You know,
yeah.
everybody loves cherry cheesecake.
That's true. Or
Or
strawberry.
hey, I've got some fresh strawberries.
Really?
Yeah, we could throw a few strawberries on top.
All right.
Okay, there's your Cool Whip.
Ooh, those look like good fresh strawberries. They got a great color to them.
Yeah, I haven't went and picked strawberries this year, but what I need to go do, I think it's better if I put this hand, put them on there. My hands are clean.
It's looking good. So now we got to put it in the refrigerator for a little bit,
And
right?
let it chill,
Okay. All right, so let's get a little piece out of here. It's gonna be a little messy getting out, I think.
It's
So
all right.
I'm gonna try my best.
That's what our
I've
lives
been making
are.
a mess today, so
Life's messy,
that's true.
but there's also something
You're really
sweet
about to
about
find
it.
that out with them twins you're about to have.
Amen.
Got the crust out. Oh, this looks like a great summer dessert.
It does.
Get a little bit of that crust too on the bottom. There we go. Why am I blowing it? It's a cold thing. I'm so used to blowing stuff when I eat.
That's funny.
Oh, good. Yeah. If you're a cheesecake lover,
You'll like this.
you'll like this.